Hello, my name is Thai Huynh and Nguyễn, ID student KYM8006, and today I would like to do my presentation about accounting. My presentation is divided into two parts. Part A. Part A is the relative information content of the income statement and cash flow statement, and Part B examine the consolidated cash flow statement of PHB, Santos, and Fantastic Company. And firstly, I would like to summarize my report. As you know, every company must perform some accounting, and this is to identify its financial state. Also known as bookkeeping, accounting involves the collection, analysis, classification, verification, interpretation, and presentation of financial information. There are various types of bookkeeping, and one of these is corporate accounting. So it is especially suited for company corporating deal with processes such as the preparation of cash flow statement, financial report, balance sheet, and more. It can be used to handle unique corporate related processes such as absorption and the creation of consolidated documents. And now I go to Part A, the relative information of content of the income statement and the statement of cash flow. So, as you know, manager, investor, and analysts all pay special attention to the bottom line of income statement and the notion significant cash earning information of the statement of cash flow to evaluate a company's ability to generate positive cash flow or meet company obligation to shareholder, creditor, and government. Besides assessing whether a company's solvency or need for external financing, this report aims to focus on earning quality by examining the statement of cash flow. So, the relative information content of the income statement and the statement of cash flow. The income statement is used to measure the performance of a company, specifically how much money it makes, how much money it paid out, and the recent profits or loss from the revenue and expenditure. This financial document is sometimes called a statement of financial performance. While the cash flow statement measures the truth of a company cash and issue of cash over a specific period of time. So in other words, an income statement shows whether a company makes a profit, and a cash flow statement shows whether a company generated cash. So the cash flow statement and the income statement are integral part of a corporate balance sheet. Though they both differ in the type of information they show, the income statement reflecting a business performance via its revenue, expenses, and profit, and the cash flow statement reflecting how that profits or loss flow throughout the company. So they are both inextricably linked. The cash flow statement cannot exist without the income statement because it begins with the net income or loss derived from the income statement, and go on to show how well a company manages its capital position. So the general objective of the present study is to investigate and assess the information content of cash flow disclosure as required by the AASB 1026 Statement of Cash Flow. The information content is measured in terms of the degree of the relationship between cash flow variable and security return. So examining the information content of cash flow, the objective is to investigate the ability of the cash flow component in predicting future cash flow. So to accomplish the research objective, 3 hypotheses were proposed. The data to test hypothesis came from companies listed on the Australian Stock Exchange for the periods of 1992 to 1997. A subsequent period of the requirement to apply AASB 1026 result from hypothesis test, which represent the objective, indicate that 3 general conclusions can be drawn. And data reported in the cash flow statement have information content distributing historic cash flow into 3 main components, and then decomposing 3 components of cash flow into detailed components improve the associated with security return. In addition, decomposing historical cash flow into 3 components and detailed components of cash flow have relative information content. So the evidence justify the AASB 1026 requirement for reporting entity to disclose the cash flow statement at the end of a certain period by using the direct approach. Thank you for watching.